All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is March 7th, 2024. It's the BYOB Market Wrap Up. My name is John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. Let's go take a look at some charts. All right, guess what? SPY, new all-time high today. Okay, all-time high. Let's see what we got. New all-time high is 515.89. Wow, didn't realize it got up that high. 515.89. Okay, for all-time high. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. So SPY getting a new all-time high today. Let's take a look at QQQ. One too many Qs there. There we go. QQQ. Whoa, that was close. Okay, high there, 446.72. High there, 446.58. All right, new all-time high for QQQ today. 446.72, new all-time high. QQQ. All right, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Nice job, SPY. Nice job, NASDAQ. Okay, let's take a look at the next one, IWM. All right, IWM, new 2-year high right there. Let's back it out, see where we are. Yep, new 2-year high. See that? Back in 2022. See that right there? New 2-year high, IWM. Okay, go back to the daily chart. That was a monthly. All right, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Small caps on fire, doing well. S&P on fire, doing well. NASDAQ on fire, doing well. I got to tell you, I think IWM makes a move up. I can see the consolidation back. I think we got another move up like this, about this long right here. If they did that, ooh, that would put them in striking distance of those all-time high. It'd be close. All right, there's IWM. All right, putting out a new 2-year high for the small caps. All right, let's go take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow was in a downtrend. Still in a downtrend. Closing over the bearish trap and over the flat 17 EMA. Diamond Dow fighting off the downtrend right there. Higher low, higher high, closing. Looks like it's going to close inside the trap over the flat 17 EMA right there. Diamond Dow. I really thought it was going to go for this one right here. I thought it was going to go down. I thought it looked like it wanted to go down and hit the 50. We got a nice rising 50. I thought it was going for that. But they fought it off today. So there's Diamond Dow. Let's go back to my other ones right here. Okay, so there's Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at FNGU. Fighting off the pullback to the uptrend line right through there. Nice recovering. See the rubber band, kind of energy from the uptrend, pushing price back up. So here's FNGU trying to fight off the downtrend, doing it a little bit better than Diamond Dow. Higher low, higher high, closing over, actually closing the bearish trap. Ooh, I see some bump there. Maybe Broadcom might be reporting already. All right, so here's FNGU closing over the uptrend line, over the bearish trap, over the rising green 17 EMA. FNGU doing it. All right, let's take a look at IYT. Okay, IYT hit a new all-time high yesterday. Was that an all-time high? I think it was. Didn't we go through this morning? Yeah, that was new all-time high the other day. Okay, yesterday. So here's daily on IYT, just still in this bullish consolidation. I think it wants to go higher. But anyways, we got a higher low, lower high, kind of an inside day to yesterday's all-time high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. IYT, let's take a look at XLF. XLF, another 2-year high here for XLF. Pull out the monthly charts. Pan over to the left. Yep, 2-year high right there. 2-year high on XLF. Go back to the daily charts. Okay, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Wow, XLF doing it right. IYT doing it right. FNGU getting it done. NASDAQ getting it done. S&P 500 in an uptrend. Everybody, small caps are even doing it right. Everyone's getting in on this. Okay, XLF. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH prints another new all-time high. Nice going, SMH. There's semiconductors. So we got everything is on fire. Semiconductors. We got small caps. We got the S&P 500. We got transportation and the financials. We have a perfect storm, traders. This is the perfect storm right now for the markets. SMH getting it done. Let's take a look at the technicals. Oh, let's look at the XLK. XLK, higher low, higher high. Not a new all-time high, but nonetheless, still doing very good here. Closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. XLK. It's got the right stuff. All right, let's take a look at our technicals. Okay, we've jumped into the overbought zone first thing this morning, and then we just kind of meandered into the buy zone. Still not bad. They're holding that uptrend. See the trend going up right through there? Still nice work. Let's see, take it from the low, slide it all the way up the highs there. Nice work. T2122. Jumping into the overbought zone for a brief moment. All right, T2123, 15-minute chart. Green from the beginning to the end of the day. A gap up and move to the right. Just keep gapping up and moving over to the right. In relation to the all-time highs, let's see how close we are. Ooh, we're not far. We're not far at all. How far do we have to go? Not too much further. Nice looking there. 15-minute chart. KFNG T2123 3-bar. A lot more space opening up between the price action and the rising 17. Here's the 200 trying to chase it down. FNGU. Green, just like IWM from the beginning of the day. Something happened. Almost to the end of the day here. Coming up over a kind of a waffling 200 right there. And we got a one red candle right there. It's a pullback. Looks like a pullback to VWAP happening right there. There's FNGU. All right, let's take a look at just a few more. Okay, we're going to look at USO. So energy in an uptrend. Energy closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Energy in an uptrend. Petroleum, that is. All right, let's go see what UNG's doing. UNG's stinking up the joint. All right, lower high, lower low on nat gas, closing below the trap, below the 17 EMA. But still in an uptrend. If it breaks this low, it goes back into a downtrend. Right there, 1522. Breaking the 1522, and we're back in a downtrend. Silver and gold. Here's silver. Silver's looking good today. I said I wanted to get it over the midpoint. It closed over the midpoint here yesterday, and it's doing it again today. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap. Okay, over the rising 17 EMA right there. Silver's got the right stuff. GLD. GLD really kind of too hot. I'd like to see it cool off a little bit. Maybe when it gets up over 200, pulls back and tests 200. But anyways, here's GLD. Higher low, higher high, closing. New all-time high, by the way. Okay, new all-time high, closing over the bullish trap, over a rising 17 EMA. Gold getting it done, doing it right, making another new all-time high on gold. All right, traders, that's it. I will see you all at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Let's just go see what ABGO is doing. See if they're reported yet. Let's get the aftermarket. Nothing really exciting yet. It's looking more like numbers haven't come out yet. So we'll see what happens. Let's look at Costco. Nothing really happening yet. I don't see anything exciting yet. Back to ABGO. Maybe ABGO goes up to 1,500. We'll see. All right, traders, everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you for being here. I'll see you all at 8 o'clock in the morning. All right, everybody, I'm going to leave this up, and we'll see you in the morning. Big rocket off there. Wow. You know, you never know, with the earnings. You could, they could rocket like this, or they could go against you. Well, major resistance is 64.30. So if it goes up through there, it'll probably come back. Like to see it go up and get on top of that. That thing's been beat up bad. Crowd. Crowd's getting hit aftermarket. They already went through their earnings. Why are they getting hit? MDB sympathy? That could be. That could be. Looks like MDB is going to go fill the gap from June. Marvell is down. Maybe AVGO can go up. Something go up. Be nice if something goes up. I don't know. I'm not feeling it on AVGO. Yeah, Docu's up real good. Isn't that the one you asked me about, Stefan? I think you asked me about Docu. Yeah, it's one of those ones. It's earnings. It could be really good. It could be really bad. You never know. It's your call. You know what I'm saying? If you want to play in that fire. Me, I like the trends. I think the trends work out a whole lot better. Let's see where the SPY is doing in the aftermarket. Nothing fancy to speak of. Nothing fancy going on there. All right, I'll see. I'm going to leave this up. And I'll see everybody at 8 tomorrow. All right? Everybody have a great night.